Good morning, David Fernandez here for Anatomy and Physiology, and this is part 2 of experiment number 2. I was going to do the experiment yesterday, but it still seemed a little soft, a little too soft. So here we go, without further ado. It's been about nearly 48 hours, yeah, 45 hours really. It's 9:30. I believe I finished this experiment at around like 12:30, I think it was, 2 days ago. So here we are. This thing it sure is solid. And according to the instructions, this is supposed to just kind of plop right out. And it is absolutely not. So I'm going to be cutting out nice and easy. There we go. All right, let's try this now. Hey, there it goes. Fantastic. And I am now supposed to be finding... Oh, actually, I need a ruler for this, don't I? All right, let's see. Okay, so here we are with our handy dandy ruler. And I am supposed to cut out three separate squares. One of them supposed to be 1 by 1 by 6 centimeters. One of them supposed to be 1 by 1 by 1. And the last one's supposed to be 1 by 2 by 2 by 2. Yeah. They say to start with the 6, so let's do that. Wait. Can't really move this. Okay. So that's the 6. The height is about 1, so that makes it a little bit easier. So that means, okay, so I'm just going to be cutting off the 1 by 6 aspect first. There we go. This thing is a lot more delicate than I thought it'd be. Okay, next we're going to just do the 1 by 2 by 2. Whatever. So. Well, I'll tell you what, actually. Let's just get rid of the 1 by 1. Right about there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And here is the 1 by 1 by 1 by 6, 1 by 1 by 1. And we're going to make the 2 by 2 by 1 now. There we go. It's fine. I don't know, I'm so jittery this morning. Just too much coffee, I guess. Well, anyway, so now it says to throw away the remaining agar. So, no, you know what? That just looks terrible. Too badly. There we go. Okay. Matter of fact, I kind of like this square more. So. See, normally I would edit out all this right now, but seeing as how I don't know how to edit, so unfortunately you have to be here with me as I do this. I'm sorry. Anyways, so now we have our 3 pieces. I'll be throwing this away momentarily, I suppose. And now we are supposed to. We calculated I already made the calculations for surface area, volume, and surface area to volume ratio for each block. I mean, you already gave me the dimensions, so why? Anyway, so 150 milliliters of acetic acid. Oh, here you go, sorry. Into the beaker. So here's the beaker. And here is the graduated cylinder of 100 milliliters. But you want me to measure out 150 milliliters of the vinegar. So it's going to be just 2 pours basically. And here we go. Okay, so this is 100. There we go. And we're halfway there. Whoa, oh, we're living on the bridge. Anyway, in my lovely singing voice. I know. I could have gone pro. So, please, no flash photography. Anyway, so here's the other 50 milliliters. I'm pouring it into the graduated cylinder and into the beaker. And now we're going to gently place all 3 blocks into the acetic acid solution. Great. So, I have on my computer screen the timer, and it's 7 minutes. So, yeah, they weren't kidding. Man, this thing is really... Okay, 1, 2. It's really delicate. It's amazing. All right. So we just poured them into the vinegar, and now we're putting on the timer for 7 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to put this all away. I wanted this way to link videos. There we go. Okay, and we're about halfway through. We have 3 minutes and 42 seconds left. And so far, I don't know if you can see this, but it was obviously completely blue, like right here, and like this color. But now the outside is turning like a yellowish orange, but it's still retaining its shape, so like it's disintegrating or dissolving into the water, which I find fascinating. I just wanted to give an update just to show you what I'm seeing, and I will come back in around 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So, see ya. Okay. It has now been 7 minutes. It has now been 7 minutes. And this is our finished product so far. So, we're supposed to remove it from the blocks from the vinegar solution. And we are supposed to blot the blocks dry, cut them in half, and measure the distance the vinegar diffused into the gelatin cube. So, with that being said, let's get right to it. Nice and easy. I don't want to fish them out because they just seem much too delicate as it is. Unless somehow the outer wall of these things have somehow gotten more solidified. So, moving on. Okay. So, actually, let's see if I could just set you over here again. Not bad. Cool. Alrighty. So. This is a sliver that just kind of broke off from the original cube. Nope. In the meantime, let's see what happens. Just do that. Put it in the vinegar solution. Why not? Right? Okay, so we are to cut it in half, and we're supposed to just see how much they have all changed. So. There we go. I find that fascinating. Okay, well, without further ado, I have now completed this. I will be recording I'll be recording my observations into the paper. So thank you very much, and have a good day. I'll post another one real soon. See you next week.